Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I brought you a topic that has been going on in my mind since December. I just couldn't find the time to record this video, but as you can see, I'm not in my usual background because today I decided that no more excuses. I just feel like I needed to record this topic. So basically what happened that in December I saw a video on YouTube. It was a cover song with a band covered a Christmas song. It's a bluesy Christmas song, not even the most well-known one. It was a female singer and with a three-piece band. So the point is that if you watch this video, you can see perfection. You can see and hear perfection. What I mean is that basically they played the song perfectly. The sound was perfect. The production was perfect. Everything seemed and looked and sounded perfect. The singer looked like a model. Perfect figure, beautiful face, sexy dress, incredible voice. So it was just like unreal. It felt like too perfect. And after I watched and listened this song, basically this performance left me feel empty. Because I felt like that, okay, it was like a total maximized performance in every level. Vocally, technically, looking like, the video clip, the band, everything. And still, it was empty. And I was thinking like that they literally like giving everything, giving it all, show it all, and still felt empty. Why is that? After this song, I felt like that, okay, I've heard everything. Don't feel like listening more because I heard everything. And it's just, it didn't give me the goosebumps. It didn't give me the butterflies in my stomach. It didn't give me the shiver. Nothing. Then I was thinking of Dimash, because he's always giving it all. But you know what's the difference? That he's singing from here. He's giving it all from here, not here. And I know that around Dimash there is a production, of course. But even if he would stand on a stage completely alone without any kind of band instruments, he would still, not like that he would give me, would be enough, it would be overwhelming, because that's what I feel anytime I listen Dimash. It's not like that he makes me feel fulfilled. He makes me feel overwhelmed, because this is where he touches. It's not about the technique, obviously, we know the technique, that it's excellent. But again, if the soul wouldn't be there, it would probably feel the same like what I felt by listening and watching this band. I said it felt too perfect, which means it's not human. Because music is not rocket science. Music is expression, it's self-expression, which means it will change, it will create different emotions in others or in you, whether you are sad, whether you are happy. It depends how you feel. That's what music does, that's what singing does, that's how you telling the story through music, through singing. When it's perfect, it's not human anymore, it's robotic. And you lose the sense, you lose the point of music. Especially blues song, because I told you this was a blues song. Blues is everything but perfection and tidiness. Blues is about rustiness, is about being smoky, sounding smoky, is about feelings, about passion, is about suffering. You know, when you listen to a guitar and it feels like that the guitar is crying, this is blues. Oh God, you see, I'm already having the goosebumps just talking about that. If you are perfect, there is no room for growing or for being better or learning or anything. There is no such thing as perfection, and we don't need perfection. We need feelings, we need emotions. I always tell actually to my students and in my videos as well that technique can get the attention, but emotions are the one that creates the bond with the audience. Emotions are the reason why they're gonna want to listen to more. Technique is not like, wow, okay, that's good, but it's boring after a while. Perfection, it's boring after a while because you just know what to expect. And that's why Dimash is the greatest of all. He is giving it all, but here and not here. And that's the point. And this is the proof. Like you see, the technique, the look, this is limited, but this is limitless. And you are just digging deeper and deeper, and it touches you deeper and deeper. And it's endless. There is no limit when it comes to the soul and the heart. If you're giving it all from your heart, from your soul, there is no end. After a while, I'm like, what are you gonna give me? Because now you give me everything. You showed me everything, but that was just a technique, and I know that was the top. What else? I want to hear. I want to feel this. Show me what you are. Show me who you are. Show me your heart. Show me your scars. Show me. Show me that you are vulnerable. I want to see that. I want to feel that because I want to cry with you. I want to laugh with you. I want to feel what you feel. Tell me, sing to me your story. That will touch me. That will touch the audience. We don't need perfection because humans aren't perfect. Please. We want emotions. We want to see mistakes. We want to see the scars. Because we have scars as well. And we can relate with that. Show your scars to the world. Show your imperfections to the world. Because that's what the world can relate with. That's when people want to listen more because they are like, yeah, I feel the same. I am fucked up. Sorry, but yes. Are you too? That's great. So that's cool. Let's do it together. Let's get better together. Let's heal together. We don't want perfection. We want to relate with someone who is just like us. It's time to show our vulnerability. It's time to show who we really are.